Hey there, this is Eddie with Multi-Man Services. We just got doing some gutter cleaning here at this duplex in Janesville, Wisconsin. As you can see, some pretty nasty growth, and it acted last night, so the gutters were completely solid chunks of dirt, roots, and leaves. I call them gutter bricks. But we blasted all that out of there. If you look at the photos, everything's cleaned up really nice. The roof seems like it's in decent condition. They could use a cleaning. Got some algae growing on it, some lichen. There's a lot of moss and stuff starting to develop in the corners here where the roof meets the siding. So a roof cleaning would take care of that. Gutter screens here and the garages seem to be working good. I flushed those out and nothing really in there. Of course, it was a cascade of mud and nastiness that came out of all the gutters, and it fell on all the furniture on both sides, so went ahead and cleaned all that off. Now, of course, you're going to need gutter cleaning again in the future. This won't be your last time needing it. So we do offer like a maintenance service agreement. It's like $100 off every gutter cleaning in the future if you continue on the maintenance service agreement. So what I'll do is I'll send you an invoice for $400. That'll include 2 cleanings, and that'll be a lot bigger savings if you were to just have me come by, like once every few years instead of twice a year. It was really bad up there, and you can do a lot of damage to your gutters if you allow that to continue. So we encourage gutter cleaning, regular maintenance, so we'll offer that service at a discount to you. Go ahead and pay that invoice, and we'll automatically get you set up for the cleanings in the late spring and late fall, and you'll be good to go. Any questions you have, don't hesitate to call or text me on my cell, 815-520-6020. We look forward to working with you again.